The build quality of the Matsuura is extremely good. It's powerful, it's accurate. We haven't found anything within its capacity that it seems to struggle with. And it's blue. We bought the Matsuura back in September last year. We pushed delivery out till March this year. We bought it because we wanted reliable, unmanned 5-axis running. The MX-330 has a surprisingly large capacity, both in the pallet changer and the machine, 330 diameter by 300 tall and 80 kilos on the table, which is by far bigger than most of their competition. We purchased a machine with a pallet system to get high mix, low volume work through. It allows us to complete numerous different jobs on a schedule, and it's a great way of handling that sort of work. The Matsuuras are kitted up for unmanned running. They've seemed to think of everything from huge coolant tanks, sensors for level, filtration, air filtration, tool probing, part probing, sister tooling, you name it, Matsuura included as standard. We'd certainly look to invest in further machines from Matsuura in the future. We're already looking at the effect a second installation could have on our factory.